Put it in there. Next clip. This is gonna be. All right, I'm seasoning some chicken. All right, I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. All right. All right, next clip, I'm finna lay the chicken. Lay that up there. All right, I'll see y'all in the, oops, hold on. I'll see y'all in the next there. Got it in the oven. I'll see y'all in the next cream wheat. All right, see y'all in the next. Almost done, y'all. Baked chicken is almost done. I'm gonna see y'all when I get in the room. All right. Yep, I'm almost done. I'll see y'all when the chicken go, guys. I just got it out. Yeah, so I see y'all. We kinda got the food in here. Great healthy soda, no sugar in this. From what I tasted out of it, you know. That's a healthy baked chicken. I got that yesterday. Went to the store yesterday and got that. And this is healthy stuff. This is a healthy drink that I poured up in here. Yeah, so, all right. Put that in your mouth. Try to make sure I'm right here. Yeah. She's eating eggs, you guys. And chicken. It's fresh chicken, baked chicken. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Eggs fall. All right, let's see y'all. As y'all see, she's still eating on some of the chicken. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and just upload the video and get it out. All right, I'm gonna see y'all later.